Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new pair of running shoes. Do you have any in my size?
Of course, we have a variety of running shoes. What size are you looking for?
I wear a size 9.
Great. We have several options in size 9. Are you looking for a specific brand or style?
Please like and subscribe our channel. It will help us to grow.
I prefer Nike, and I need something with good arch support.
I can definitely show you our Nike selection with good arch support. Is there a particular color or design you like?
The black ones, and I'd like to try them on.
Perfect. Let me grab a pair in size 9 for you to try on. While I get those, is there anything else you are looking for today?
No, just the shoes for now, thank you.
Here are the Nike running shoes in size 9. Please try them on and let me know how they feel.
They feel comfortable. I'll take them.
Great choice. Is there anything else you need today, or shall I ring this up for you?
That's all for today. Please ring them up for me.
Certainly. Your total is $80. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll pay with a card, please.
Alright. If you could insert your card into the machine, and I'll process the payment. Thank you for shopping with us. Here's your receipt. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye and enjoy your new shoes.